Hi guys, David with RV Wholesalers back for another Hey RVW. We got this question from someone watching our virtual RV show. They wanted to know, hey RVW, what's the difference between a factory warranty and the extended warranty? And actually it really is very simple. A lot of people kind of get confused by it. Don't allow yourself to be confused. You can see right over my shoulder, we have what Thor is saying. They have a 12-year structural warranty and a 6-year lamination warranty. The actual warranty on this motorhome is 1 year, okay? So let me explain the difference real quick. For 1 year, they're gonna kind of cover most everything on the coach. But for 12 years, they're gonna cover the structural, which means the box of the RV itself. And for 6 years, they're gonna cover the lamination. What's the lamination? That's the walls. Okay, so the walls are laminated together, which means they're glued and pressed together. They're gonna say for 6 years, we're gonna make sure that that doesn't come apart in any way. If it does, we'll cover it. Now you do have to do maintenance though to keep the factory warranty into effect. You also have a 12-year roof warranty, but the roof warranty on an RV is only in effect as long as you seal the roof twice a year, every 6 months, okay? So you wanna make sure you seal your roof every 6 months. You wanna make sure that you check all your caulking seams around windows, things like that, and make sure that they're always taken care of every year. But back to difference between the factory warranty and an extended warranty. A factory warranty is literally that. It's what the factory is going to warranty or cover for you and during a certain time period. Again, we see that we have a 12-year structural warranty, a 12-year roof warranty, we have a 6-year lamination warranty, and a 1-year warranty that covers the coach, basically, you know, the entire box of this RV behind me. Or if you bought a travel trailer fifth wheel, it covers that entire coach. So what's an extended warranty? The extended warranty picks up where the factory warranty ends. So after your 1-year warranty is over, your 1-year factory warranty, then your extended warranty would kick in. So when the factory stops paying the bill, the extended warranty would start to pay the bill. Okay, so the important thing is make sure that you choose the right extended warranty, okay? There's two different types. You have stated and you have exclusionary. You do not want stated. Stated is usually a lot more affordable because it only covers exactly what is stated inside the warranty itself. Exclusionary covers everything but the few things that it says it doesn't cover, okay? So you want to read that contract real safely, but make sure you get the exclusionary contract. Don't ever buy a stated contract. It just really has no value at all. Next thing is be prepared to fight a little bit, right? Okay, what do I mean by that? Whether you have a 1-year factory warranty or you have the extended warranty, you may need to call, you may need to argue to get things covered once in a while. Why do you have to do that? Simple. If you drive through a town, I've always told my kids, look at all the skyscrapers. They're banks and insurance companies, right? Well, insurance companies back up these warranties. They don't like to pay bills, so you may have to encourage them to pay the bill. But at the end of the day, you're much better off with an extended warranty than you are without. And people say, how can you be so sure of that? Real simple. Check the rating of the company. So buy an exclusionary warranty. Second is check the rating of the company. If the company has a really good rating and every insurance company is rated, then you know they're going to pay the bills, they're going to do the right thing. The other thing is be careful of who you buy the extended warranty from. Make sure you can trust your partner. So if you're not sure you can trust the dealer you're buying an RV from, you definitely don't want to buy an extended warranty from them, right? Find a trusted source. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494. We'd love to help you out. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook.